兄弟, did you see the lighting last night?
哦，吹火噻 That's pretty common in summer. Don't move. The heavy rain is coming. It's over.
That rain was too short. Do you know how we call this kind of rain in Colombia? Lluvia espantabobos.
Oh, you mean 撇冬雨 in Sichuan dialect. 撇冬雨 refers to these sudden summer downpours.
There are many unique weather terms in Sichuan dialect.
Hot weather,
天气大
windy weather,
风好好
rough weather,
白头霜
foggy weather,
无枣子。
说回四川话，撇冬雨不怕。